Hey, welcome back. Now you're ready to move on to the second step of the process. You learned a lot in step one. That's where most of your learning is happening. Now you get ready to do. All right, so let's go over the objectives for level two. The first thing you're going to do is print out the inquiry cards. You can find this on the wonderofscience.com or on the website for this course. You should have enough sets to use with your class, either in small groups or partners. Next, you need to go find your standard. Go to the NGSS standards and find a standard that includes the science and engineering practice, asking questions, and defining problems. Then you need to choose a phenomenon that's going to get the kids wondering. This phenomenon should be related to the standard that you chose. Now pick a questioning tool that you will be using with your students. This is the tool that you will be practicing with in level 2. Finally, use the questioning strategy to complete the tool you have just chosen. All right, I'm going to go into a little bit more detail with each of the steps. First of all, print out the inquiry cards front and back for your students. Make sure you have enough sets for either partners or small groups. This will be a tool to help scaffold them to ask better questions. This video here, I put this on the website. This is going to give you an overall view of the inquiry process. So I really highly suggest that you watch this video to see where we're going in the next course. Okay, in step 2, this is where you're going to pick your standard. So again, make sure that you have a standard that has the cross-cutting concept of asking questions and defining problems. And then choose a phenomenon that goes with that standard. If you need extra support choosing a phenomenon, watch this video. I'll put a link for it on the website for this course, and then also the links to where you can find some great engaging phenomenon. Next, you're going to choose a questioning tool that aligns with your grade level. We went over these tools in the first part of this course, so pick something that it would be appropriate for your classroom. In step 4, you're going to be completing the questioning tool. Remember, this is practice before your students do this. So ask at least 8 questions as you would ask of your students and classify them according to cross-cutting concept. This is where these cards come in handy. Once the questions have been classified, choose 3 questions to improve. This is going to take practice, so this is very important for you to practice with as many questions as you'd like, but I would like to see at least a minimum of 3 to where you can get to that empirical testability. Once you have decided on the best question that would be used for further investigation, identify that question by circling it, making a check mark on the tool, something that you can show me when you turn that in. And finally, you're going to turn in your evidence to Google Classroom. So your evidence can include a picture of your Wonder Wall, where it shows your questions, shows them being organized, and shows the improved questions. It could be a completed graphic organizer or a link to your digital questioning tool. Remember, this is for your practice before you do this with your students.